Members of the Bush family in Southwest Florida tonight pushing for literacy for all Americans. Former Governor Jeb Bush and former First Lady Barbara Bush helping to raise some money for literacy programs. And 4 in Your Corner's Andre Sr. with their important message.
Well, the 12th annual celebration of reading just wrapping up here at the Hyatt Regency. It was launched 12 years ago by then Governor Jeb Bush, who says literacy and education need to be a national priority. This is the final event for the one-day celebration of reading event. Hundreds of people gathering for a dinner reception to hear stories from their favorite authors, like Randall Wallace, who in addition to writing books, also wrote the screenplay for the movie Braveheart.
The emerging world realizes how important education is.
Former Florida Governor Jeb Bush launched the Celebration for Reading initiative more than a decade ago.
Because education is so important, it is really the leading indicator of a successful life, at least economically. You can be equipped, you can have great values, you can be equipped to do great things in your mind.
It's a passion passed down by his mother.
But if you can't read and write and calculate math and understand history and all the things that a good education brings, you're not going to be successful.
It's an offshoot of his mother's national foundation, which she founded nearly 2 decades ago, called the Barbara Bush Foundation for Family Literacy.
Like you, I'm very proud of my 5 children.
Both organizations helped raise money for places like the Family Literacy Academy of Immokalee. The academy helped this former farm worker read and write.
They just opened a wonderful new world for me. Education is the way to go, and they can't take that away from you. Once you know it, you got it within you, and you want to do better.
Her message is one that the Bush family hopes will be heard loud and clear. Well, Jeb Bush is bringing his fight for literacy and education to the national stage. He and his sister Dora will be taking over for the Barbara Bush Foundation for Family Literacy. Barbara Bush is retiring. In Bonita Springs, Andre Sr., Fox 4, in your corner.